Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me Akansha and today I'm back with an informative video on Earn While You Learn. So this video would be your guide to part-time jobs in UK. It is quite normal that it would take about 2 to 3 months to get a part-time job as you are very new to the country and it will take some time for you to settle in and get used to the culture here, and then you will understand how to apply for the jobs and what are the correct measures. So do not worry if you don't get any job within the first month of your arrival. It will take time. You just keep on applying and don't stop until you get a job.
So now let me take you through my journey of finding and getting a job. My United Student accommodation is very near to the city center and the university. So I had multiple options to apply for the job and I got one. And it only takes me about 15 to 20 minutes to reach my job location from my United Student accommodation. And you can always take a bus if your job location is a bit far, as there are multiple bus stops near my United Student accommodation. There's the one.
Working part-time will help you gain a lot of skills such as your communication skills, and it will also help you to boost up your confidence. Also, you'll get multiple skills such as customer servicing and customer dealing skills. And it would look very good on your CV that with your studies you were doing something else to boost up your skills. Some of the part-time jobs that you can apply to are content creation, mystery shopper, or if you have any skills such as coding, you can go for that. If you have any cooking skills, so you can work as a chef in cafes or restaurant. You can also work as a tutor and teach different people. You can also work as a freelancer and आप help कर सकते हैं लोगों को edit करने में videos, thumbnails जो कि content post करते हैं YouTube, Instagram या TikTok पे. The other jobs that you can apply for are you can apply for the role of waiter or waitress in any restaurant or cafe. You can also apply as a receptionist. You can also apply as a sales executive in various retail shops such as H&M, Zara, or in different perfume shops. Also, you can apply to different supermarkets such as Morrison's, Tesco, Sainsbury. There are a lot of supermarkets here. You can also apply for security jobs. Security jobs are well paid here. And also you can apply to warehouse jobs such as Amazon warehouse. So warehouse job में क्या होता है, आपको वहाँ जाना होता है, पैकेजिंग वगैरह करनी होती है, and that's all. वहाँ पे आपको किसी से interact नहीं करना पड़ेगा. So if you are not into talking to people, then you can apply for warehouse jobs. You can also do some remote jobs. So one of my friend, उनको एक रिमोट जॉब मिली है क्योंकि उनके पास आईटी स्किल्स हैं. सो वो घर से बैठ के ही उस कंपनी के लिए काम करती है, उन्हें कहीं कम्यूट करने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है. तो अगर आपके पास भी कोई ऐसी स्किल्स है तो आप भी अपनी अकोमोडेशन में बैठे बैठे जॉब कर सकते हैं फॉर द कंपनी एंड आपको कहीं जाने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं पड़ेगी. Or you can also work as a student ambassador with Unite Student or as a content creator जैसे कि मैं I make content for Unite Student. The only thing is that you have to be a resident of Unite Student. And please don't shy away to be a volunteer. Volunteering can be a game changer for you. While volunteering, you'll meet a lot of people from different cultures and you'll learn about their culture, about the culture of the UK. You'll speak to different people and you will get to know about how they talk and what are their manners. ऑल्सो जब आप वॉलंटियरिंग करते हैं सो देर आर अ हाई चांसेस कि जिन लोगों के साथ आपने कनेक्शन बनाया है वो आपको आगे किसी पेड जॉब के लिए रेफर करें. सो वो पेड जॉब पार्ट टाइम भी हो सकती है और वो फुल टाइम भी हो सकती है. तो वॉलंटियरिंग के टाइम जो आप कनेक्शंस बनाते हैं वो काफ़ी यूजफुल रहते हैं फॉर योर फ्यूचर एज वेल. I mean, the list is so big and I cannot recommend you enough to go for volunteering, and also it will look good on your CV. The thing that I've noticed here is people consider you more if you have volunteered in your life. So अगर आपने इंडिया में भी कभी वॉलंटियर करा है या अपनी होम कंट्री में कभी भी वॉलंटियर करा है, so they will consider you more as compared to the other person जिसने कभी अपनी लाइफ में वॉलंटियर नहीं किया है. सो अगर आपने भी अपनी होम कंट्री में कभी भी वॉलंटियर नहीं करा है तो नो प्रॉब्लम, आप यहाँ आके भी वॉलंटियरिंग प्रोग्राम्स में जा सकते हैं, लोगों से मिल सकते हैं और कनेक्शंस बना सकते हैं. आपका जो कॉन्फिडेंस है वो भी बूस्ट अप होगा एंड इट विल श्योरली हेल्प यू इन द फ्यूचर. You can also go to Unite Student website and there you can get various platforms which would allow you to earn a bit of extra money with your studies. The first platform is Shepper.
So Shepherd allows you a quick and easy way to earn some extra cash and there is no experience needed. The other platform is Unitasker. So Unitasker is perfect for students looking for odd jobs or freelance work in content creation, design and more. So these brands are really helpful if you want to earn some extra cash with your studies.
Now, the tips from my side would be do not get demotivated if you're facing rejections, as it is the part of the process. Keep one thing in mind that जैसे आप अप्लाई कर रहे हैं एक जॉब के लिए वैसे ही मल्टीपल अदर स्टूडेंट्स आर अप्लाइंग फॉर द सेम जॉब सो द कॉम्पिटिशन इज हाई जस्ट कीप ऑन अप्लाइंग फॉर अ जॉब until you get one. If you're getting a chance to apply for temporary roles such as Christmas temporary role or summer temporary role, then go for it because there are high chances कि आपको वो permanent कर दे, आपका contract extend कर दे. Just go for volunteering as you'll get a chance to meet different people, build connections and easily get referred for a job in the future. You can apply for part-time jobs through Indeed, LinkedIn or through the official websites of the company. Applying through the official websites is more useful than applying through Indeed or LinkedIn. So just go to the official website, go to their career section and just apply there. Keep one thing in mind that you are very new to the country, so just give yourself time to settle in and do not rush. So guys, this was all from my side for this video. I hope this video will help you a lot to search for part-time jobs and please do consider the tips that I have given you in the video. Like and share the video and comment your thoughts down and subscribe to my channel and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.